Hello there guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be playing a game that has been requested to me more than reaction videos, and it is Cooking Simulator Part 2. Now, if you can't tell, I've got a bit of hay fever today, but we'll ignore that because I still look great. So basically I thought I would do a part 2 to Cooking Simulator and actually try and make something that is edible and not just a bun. I'm not allowed to serve it because it's just a roll! But I do get angry at this game, so please do not be surprised if there is a microphone whack or a bloody phone punch. Yeah, right, so we're going to be playing Cooking Simulator. Let's get on with it. Right guys, so here we are on Cooking Simulator, and to be fair, I have not missed this game at all. Why is it taking so long to load? But yeah, I have not missed this game. There's that theme song. That's when you know we are in the zone. Oh, would you look at that, it's the 4th of July and here I am stuck in a bloody kitchen with nothing but a cookbook! Can't even throw it. There we go. Right, so, today, what are we going to make? You may be asking. I have no clue what we are going to be making. All I know is it's going to entail a pan, a chopping board, a knife. Right, hopefully no shouting in this video. I think, what recipes can we make? Fairy touch. Ooh, fairy touch. I kinda want a fairy touch. Order manager. See, we done that last time, the soup. What looks least frustrating? Salmon steak and boiled potatoes. I'd say that. Right. Salmon steak and boiled potatoes. Let's go. We're on a timer? No, we're not. So that makes it even better. How do you duck? Oops. There we go. And we'll pop that there. Right, so a salmon steak. Where would that be? That's a salmon fillet. I hope that's right, because like I don't want to be midway through and realise it's wrong. And it said salmon steak. Would that be grilled? Oh my god, I need to get a grip. Like, I don't even know how to cook. Right, so we'll have a pan. Pop that here. See what I mean? Like, it's already, I click A and it falls off. We're keeping that away because we don't want any mad fires or anything breaking out. Clarified butter, avocado oil, olive oil. We'll go for some olive oil. Hope that money doesn't come out my bank because I've got piss all in it. Right. I'd say that's probably enough. Jesus, I've done that again. Right, so we'll have a bit of a mess done there. So we're going to need to deal with that. And my mop has been possessed by the devil. Well, I guess we're not mopping, that's all I can say. Jesus. Right, salmon steak. And we'll pop this in the lovely pan. What one is it? Oh, correct. Lovely jubbly. We are cooking today. Spatula. Right, so while we're cooking, this looks so mental. It looks like I've got a spatula for a... Right, okay, this salmon will be ready, I'm assuming. Oh my god. Right, that's not appropriate for YouTube. but we move. That doesn't look right. Why is the oil went that colour? It's raw. I wouldn't be eating out of this restaurant, would I? Hell. Unless you want an early grave. Potatoes. I'll probably need 2. Or maybe 1. I could cut it in half. Well, we'll see what happens. Dramatic music to cut a potato. Do that. Place the knife. Pop this in the pan with the used oil. Wait, I just realised I'm grilling potatoes. Oops. Oh! Right, they'll be done. I think I've actually cooked something, you know. I knew it was too good to be true. Right, just get the salmon. Where's it went? Oh, there. Right. And we'll pour this. It's splattered. Perfect. The salmon's on the floor again! Oh my days. Right, pour this perfectly on. Where? Right, come on, we need to get a grip. We need to get a grip. Like, what, on what where am I looking? On what planet is that what I done? Oh, I could pick them up though. That's much help to me, isn't it? Pop that there, please. Put the potato on the plate. There, not even in the middle, just at the side. Spread it out a bit. Right, that's not what I've done, but okay. Alright, the salmon's too hot to pick up. God, I'm gonna have to what? There. But where's the salmon? Again. This game is stress. Please accept it. I've done it. Taste. Ken what? We got 2 stars and we didn't even like do anything like wrong. But I'll take it. Right, we'll do another one. Duck breast with apple. Honey mustard burger with French fry. Right, I'm not a genius. Duck breast with apples, please. I want breast with apples. Right, see that's why I wonder sometimes, Corey, why are you single and a loser? That's why. What am I making? Duck breast. Duck breast on the table. But there's one thing you need to do with an apple before you even think about cooking it. Oh, it's on the hole. I'd say that's thoroughly washed. I might need to season the breasts. Or the breast, I don't know. Whatever isn't inappropriate. So, we are going to need the pan. This has been left on, that's a fire hazard. Jesus. Right, so we'll sprinkle a little dash of salt. Or a whole dollop. That's like loads of salt, that'll do. Perfect. Perfecto. And I've smashed the bottle. See, this is what is called cooking. Like, this is running a restaurant. Where's the picky up thing? I can't rotate it. Oh, there. Breast is perfectly, beautifully cooked. Yes! I'm actually way to cook 2 meals. A starter and a main course of slaps. I've never actually had duck. I probably should. Like, a lot of people I know like duck. I think the duck breast is complete. That's worrying me, that I think we better flip this just to make sure it's like cooked evenly. I think that's good. Right, so we are going to transfer this to the plate. Please. Oh, why have I poured that? That's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Right. Oh no. Oh, and the duck breast's on the floor now. Yep. Why is the... in the... Jesus. Right, this'll be ready now. Look, the apples are cooked. The breasts are cooked. Don't know why you keep saying breasts. Right, big plate for Corey. Big plate for you is a big plate for me. Come on. Beautiful. Thank you. Right. And some apple. Don't know why I said it like that. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Look at that. Right. So we'll hand this in and hopefully it's good enough. I didn't want to take a photo. Duck breast and apple. Oh my god. 3 stars. What did you say? Corey's not a cook? I just got 3 stars. 3 whole stars to myself. I got 5 stars for realisation time. I got 3 stars for taste. Yeah, I got 3. Jesus. Oh! Jesus Christ, I'm getting attacked. Right guys, I think that's enough for one day. Yes, I'm doing the outro on the ground, and if you're wondering what happened, my chair moved out the way and I slipped. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, my mic unplugged and everything. Look, I unplugged from my bloody phone. Look, I unplugged. But look, you seen it here first yourself. Jesus, I got 3 whole stars on that game. And I need to stop that recording now. So yeah, thank you for watching. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. And this chair has done me dirty. Right, bye guys.